जमीन को खोदो, जमीन को खोदो तो बहुत सा कोयला निकलता है। जमीन को खोदो तो बहुत सा कोयला निकलता है, मगर हीरा खुदाई में अमूमन कम निकलता है। प्रिस्टीन के हीरे को आपके सपोर्ट कर रहा हूं, हिफाजत कीजिएगा। अरुण शर्मा।
तो मुझे कोई इल्यूजन नहीं है कि मैं इस महफिल में कुछ इतने ग्रेट रिसाइटल्स के बीच में आई डू एनीथिंग अबाउट म्यूज़िक और सॉन्ग्स। और आई ट्राइड, आई मीन मेरा एक जनरल रूल है कि मैं जब भी कोई भी स्पीच देता हूँ तो आई डोंट प्रिपेयर, बट मीनाक्षी नोज आई ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर ऑलमोस्ट फॉर कपल ऑफ आवर्स यस्टरडे। और फिर मैंने कुछ सुनाया इसको तो शी सेड नहीं, तुम अपना ही वाला करो। So with due respect to this thing and with Pallavi's permission, I chose something that has influenced me a lot. मुझे काफ़ी influence किया इस book ने. It's from the book The Peaceful Warrior. और इस book में it's basically most of the conversations in this is on the dialectic method of Plato. So Plato, if you know, always used to raise philosophical questions. And Socrates was always in his conversations. और Socrates के साथ वो discussions में philosophical बातें करता था और life के meaning के बारे में बात करता था। तो I thought that I really like this part. So I thought I'd like to share this. So the background of this book is that there's this athlete training to be an Olympic gymnast, and he meets this elderly gentleman one fine day, and that gentleman kind of becomes his mentor and everything, and he starts calling him Socrates. And during the whole this thing, और ये लड़का जब भी कोई बेवकूफ़ी करता है तो वो उसको jackass बुलाता है. Socrates calls him a jackass. So this is from this thing, and the conversation starts with, and it's like a dialectic between these two people. So Socrates is, so this is from the perspective of this young gymnast, and he asked, where are you today? Right now. Eagerly, I started talking about myself. However, I noticed that I was still being sidetracked from getting answers to any of my questions. Still, I told him about my distant and recent past and about my inexplicable depressions. He listened patiently and intently, as if he had all the time in the world, until I finished a few hours later. Very well, he said, but you still have not answered my question about where you are. Yes, I did remember. I told you how I got to where I am today, by hard work. Where are you? What do you mean, where am I? Where are you? He repeated softly. I am here. Where is here? In this office, in this gas station. So all the conversations are in a gas station because Socrates is a person who fills gas for people in this book. So where is here? In this office, in this gas station. Where is this gas station? In Berkeley. Where is Berkeley? In California. In the United States, on a landmass, one of the continents in the Western Hemisphere, Socrates, where are the continents? He asked. I sighed. On the earth. Are we done yet? Where is the earth? In the solar system, third planet from the sun. The sun is a small star in the Milky Way galaxy. All right. Where is the Milky Way? Oh, brother, I sighed impatiently, rolling my eyes. In the universe. I sat back and crossed my arms with finality. And where, Socrates smiled, is the universe? The universe is well. There are theories about how it's shaped. That's not what I asked. I asked, where is it? I don't know. How can I know that? How can I answer that? That is the point. You cannot answer it, and you never will. There is no knowing about it. You are ignorant of where the universe is, and thus where you are. In fact, you have no knowledge of where anything is, or of what anything is, or how it came to be. Life is a mystery. Do not waste it trying to solve it. My ignorance is based on this understanding. Your understanding is based on your ignorance. This is why I am a humorous fool and you, my friend, are a serious jackass. So let's all be humorous fools. That's where life is. Thank you so much.
दोस्तों, ये चुपके चुपके ना थमने वाली हंसी तो देखो मेरी। ये चुपके चुपके ना थमने वाली हंसी तो देखो, पल्लवी को बुला रहा हूं, मेरी खुशी तो देखो। पल्लवी मैंने बुलाया है।
A little nervous. I don't know what to say. मेरी थोड़ी हिंदी बहुत ज़्यादा गरीब है। मैं यूजुअली इंग्लिश में लिखती हूँ। इनफैक्ट मेरी बेटी यहाँ पे बैठी है, तो येस्टरडे देयर वाज अ जूम कॉल, तो वहाँ पे मीटिंग चल रहा था। पता नहीं कुछ आया मेरे को लाइंस और मैं लिखती गई। फिर मैंने अपनी बेटी को बोला कि बच्चा तुम क्या उसको करेक्शन करोगे, बिकॉज ग्रामेटिकली एंड द पंक्चुएशन एंड एवरीथिंग। तो बोली मम्मा थोड़ा सा चाइल्डिश तो है, बट ठीक है, वो आपका है, वो आपका है। सो दिस इज़ जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, माई इंस्टेंट 2 मिनट नूडल पोइट्री, बिकॉज मैं सोच के नहीं लिख पाती हूँ। फॉर मी मतलब इट जस्ट कम्स टू मी रैंडमली, कहीं चलते आते। सो द टाइटल दैट आई हैव गिवन टू माई पोएम इज Tryst, 28th April, Baithak. The rhythm of the fan blades create ripples of musical conclaves. The rhythm of the fan blades creates ripples of musical conclaves. My money plant sways to the breeze of the gentle waves. As my Zoe misbehaves, Zoe is my pet. As my Zoe misbehaves, the entire scenario lodged in my mind enslaves. The chirping of bird was a lullaby. The flight of pigeons created a lyrical note in the sky. The melodious architects designed sweet nothings in my ears. The melodious architects designed sweet nothings in my ears, boarding me into a flight of cheer. Everyday affair orchestrates heterogeneous notations. Everyday affair orchestrates heterogeneous notations as I draw up the plans of poetry soiree. My choreography shapes into a Broadway. The amalgamation of Adebe pristine lyricist stir my spirit as my recitals gimmicks the rendition of my fellow mavericks. My ingenuity abandons me as I am caught in the cobwebs of lyrical composition. My ingenuity abandons me as I am caught in the cobwebs of lyrical composition, the octane of poetic space fills beyond recognition as the verses zip in with embroidered diction. And the last one is, thank you for accepting my invitation which pricks, because मैंने सबको बहुत ज़्यादा poke किया. The confirmation clicks and the poetic journey drifts in. So this was something, I don't know, so usually my poem is more of a reading than of a recital. So now a little surprise, and for all of you that I have staged for me, this comes from my childhood जो होता है ना कि I have seen, we've been conditioned into it. तो मैंने हमेशा मेरी मम्मी को देखा हुआ है, मेरे फादर को भी हमेशा हम लोगों को लिखने के लिए बहुत encourage करते. So I am kind of initiated into a family of song, dance, recitation, music and literature. तो आज आप सबके लिए एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज है. उससे पहले मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी फॉर लैम्प लाइटनिंग के लिए द फॉर्मिडेबल मैन हु एक्चुअली जो बोलते ना हम सबको इस अम्ब्रेला में जो लेके आए हैं इकट्ठे, डेफिनेटली इट इज़ नो गेस वर्क ओवर हियर. आई वुड लव टू इनवाइट राजीव चोपड़ा जी, जो अपने आप प्यार से बोलते हर दिल अजीज रोमी जी, प्लीज कम. माई नेक्स्ट पर्सन, ऑनररी पर्सन, सर आप इधर आइए, whom I would love to invite is O.P. टंडन सर. इनका एक चीज़ मैंने देखा है, किसी के बैठक में जब भी जाते हैं वो कभी भूलते नहीं है होस्ट को ऑनर करने के लिए. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चाहे हम जब भी कुछ भी हम होस्ट करें, अच्छा करें बुरा करें, कहीं पे नुक्स भी हो जाए, बट कभी वो फ्लॉज नहीं निकालते हैं, वो आपको ऑनर करते हैं. सो यू फील वेरी गुड. ओपी सर प्लीज कम. एंड जो मेरा आज का जो सरप्राइज पैकेज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू इज माय फेवरेट Tagore. So before inviting the special girls over here, मैं थोड़ा सा 2 लाइन टैगोर के बारे में बोलूँगी. हालांकि इट इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. टैगोर इज़ एन इमोशन, आप अपने इमोशन को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाओगे, बट स्टिल माई 2 लाइन. रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर इज नोन एज कोबी गुरु. Please pardon my Bangla this thing also, or oh I forgot this, you should have told me. मेरा recording नहीं हुआ. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore, the poet who gave a soul to a nation. In 1913, he won the Nobel Prize for his book Gitanjali, which means Song Offerings, a collection of poems. Tagore's words are timeless. Although he wrote in Bangla, but his ideas crossed borders with ease. Gurudev's poetry is a testament to the power of human imagination and creativity. So human imagination and creativity, I would love to invite my Sakhi Bhavna Mittal over here. Please come over. She is my third Sakhi who will do the honors for me in lamp lightning. Okay.
ये कहाँ से मित्तल लग रही है?
So there's one thing, there's another Sakhi, my soulmate, who always tells me, and for her I have this little quotation: reach high for stars lie hidden you. And that one happens to be my husband's sister, Disha Mehra Jain. Come here. She is my 4th Sakhi who is going to light the lamp. So Tagore's songs are known as Robindra Shongi, most of which is poems. The songs were influenced by the Thumri style of Hindustani music. Some songs blended in elements of ragas. So when we talk of song or raga, if there is one family whom I am really indebted to, that has to be the Bhargavas. And for me, the next honorary person who is going to light the lamp has to be Soumya Bhargava. Come over. Known mostly for poetry, Tagore wrote novels, essays, short stories, drama, and thousands of songs. it's indeed difficult to talk of Tagore or Gurudev in few lines. But there is another very close Sakhi of mine. Truly, the way she motivates you, encourages you, it's definitely not in few lines. Come over, Richa Bharadwaj. She is going to be another honorary person who is going to light the lamp for us. I'll just quickly finish this off. Okay, it's indeed difficult to talk of Gurudev in few lines. You can't justify the magic of the man as a poet, dramatist, songwriter, lyricist or painter. The founder of Shanti Niketan with unique teaching style, we hereby are trying to pay our humble tribute to Tagore. Come, let's celebrate Tagore's legacy as we are reminded of the power of art, literature, music to bring people together and to inspire change. And to inspire the change, I have one of the nicest human beings. So when we moved here 6 years back, their family was very kind enough to invite us. हमारे में करवा चौथ होता नहीं है. But I still remember Tarun Mittal calling up and saying, hey, come over. Tarun, come. Okay, so with this, I would request all of you, for me, Tagore, for me, he is God, yeah? And he is someone who holds the power of creativity, and these are the girls who are going to unleash them in front of you. They are going to express Tagore in their own way. My request is that please fasten your seat belt, clap, whistle, and like paparazzi, I want all of you going click, 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 but after the lightning of the lamp.
टंडन साहब मेरे को कान में अभी कुछ कह रहे हैं इतनी सारी लड़कियों के साथ तो मैं जवानी में भी नहीं खड़ा हूँ
So we do one by one. Can someone please click pictures? Yes, thank you so much. Because lamp वो होता है ना ज्योति है ना तो yes start ज्योति তোর ডাক কেউ শুনে না সে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না সে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. So this is a very famous song of Rabindranath Tagore. There is one Sakhi whom I am really missing, that is Shifani. She was supposed to perform for us on Kabir Ki Dohe translated by Tagore. So that probably some other time. I'll do that. Now complete silence please, and I want complete attention over here.
अदब प्रेस्टीन, मैंने जब ये प्रोग्राम का आज आरंभ किया तो उसमें मैंने 2 लाइनें पढ़ी थी। दीप से दीप जले तो बढ़ जाती है रोशनी। दीप से दीप जले हैं, दीप से दीप जले हैं, ATS प्रिस्टीन में बढ़ गई है रोशनी। दीप से दीप जले हैं, ATS प्रिस्टीन में बढ़ गई है रोशनी। मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि अदब प्रिस्टीन इसको कम नहीं होने देगी, इससे और भी बढ़ेगी रोशनी, इससे और भी बढ़ेगी रोशनी। Our sincere thanks and congratulations to you and Chopra Saab, the main organizer of this Adab Pristine. Thank you.
So now to carry forward the program, I would request Rajiv sir to come and to do the honors. Please everyone, this is the highlight. I would request everyone's attention here and come camera nikalo. You will not regret this. I'm telling you.
You want to play, na? तो बनाएंगे भी तो खुला हुआ। Okay, ladies and gentlemen, may I seek your undivided attention to the program which we are going to unfold now. This is entirely Pallavi's brainchild. I want your complete attention, please. Complete attention. May I request everybody to take your seats. You're going to love what you're going to see now. You're going to love it. We're going to have dance performances. And for the first dance, I invite Bhavna to come forward, please. साहब वो कहते हैं जिस दिन साध की श्रृंगार हो जाएगी, जिस दिन साध की श्रृंगार हो जाएगी, उस दिन आईने की हार हो जाएगी, उस दिन आईने की हार हो जाएगी। श्रृंगार को रहने दो भाई। भावना मित्तल।
बस आते ही होंगे, जल्दी से संध्या पूजा हो जाए। जानती है वो क्या कहेंगे।
जैसी हूँ वैसी ही आ जाओ, सिंगार को रहने दो। जैसी हूँ वैसी आ जाओ, सिंगार को रहने दो। बाल अगर बिखरे हैं
Disha and mini Disha. Anna. Disha is going to be performing on a song which is all about, again, nature, rain, love. वो कहते हैं साहब, जैसा मूड होता है वैसा मंजर होता है, जैसा मूड होता है वैसा मंजर होता है, मौसम तो इंसान के अंदर होता है। Disha and Anna. मैं भी
भैया डांस इंडिया डांस में जाओ तुम लोग। बहुत बढ़िया।
दोस्तों, हमने एक शाम चिरागों से सजा रखी है। हमने एक शाम चिरागों से सजा रखी है, शर्त लोगों ने हवाओं से लगा रखी है, और शायद आ जाए कोई हमसे भी ज्यादा प्यासा, यही सोचकर थोड़ी सी बोतल में बचा रखी है। और वो जो थोड़ी सी बचा के रखी है, वो आपके सामने पेश करने के लिए आ रही हैं रिचा भारद्वाज। This is going to be the last item on our evening's program, and Richa is going to be performing on the iconic or the famous poem of Thakur, where the mind is without fear. Right? आपने पहले जो सबसे पहला हमारा सॉन्ग था, उसमें वॉइस ओवर वॉज बाय गुलजार। शायद उसमें इतना मज़ा नहीं आया, इस वॉइस ओवर में ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा आपको। Mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not broken up into fragments of narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depths of truth, where tireless driving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dread desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by into the widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for bearing me this evening. My role is over, it's over to Palvi now.
Can I have your attention, please? I would like to request everyone who has performed to please come up over here. Those who have performed, please come up. Rajiv sir. Rajiv sir. इधर खड़े रहो. भावना मित्तल. Soumya Bhargava, Ananya Bhargava, please come here. Disha, Anna, Richa, please come here. I want everyone's attention over here. I don't know how much you enjoyed the night, because they tried to perform on the poem of Rabindranath Tagore, which was really difficult because this is not their language. And when something is not their language, it's very difficult to emote and to put your expressions in. And because I understand it so closely, I must say each one of them has done such a commendable job. Can I please have a huge round of applause for these girls, please? Thank you so much for that standing ovation. Yeah, they need that. Absolutely. Yay! Anu! Yay! Yay! Gratitude to Richa, Disha, Soumya, Ananya, Bhavna. Where is my sweet Anna? Oh, my Anna is here. Okay. Their support and enthusiasm has been invaluable, and I'm thankful for their involvement. My heartfelt thank you to the one who formed this Adabe Pristine, Rajiv sir. His efforts and dedication to help me with Tagore is commendable. Let me tell you, this entire program would have been a big zero if he would not have been the hero. And now I would request Sharda ji to come here because I want her to felicitate all of them. Sharda ji, come and please felicitate them. Come. So, Sharda ji. Sharda ji. Yeah, so I want you to felicitate. Nahi, Sharda ji. So, Sharda ji, to the man. तो राजीव सर, दिस गार्लैंड इज बिकॉज आप हम सबको एक पिरोया एक गार्लैंड की तरह. सो ईच वन ऑफ अस नाइस एंड फ्रेश. राजीव सर. Yes, this also for him. Yes. So yeah. So I run a studio which not many of you know, so it goes by the name of Bohemian Heart, and I support the tribal people a lot. So this is from my studio. Let me tell you everyone, so this has been completely conceptualized, designed by Disha. So this is another talent by her. So this she did for my studio. So this is for Bhavna. So there's something from my studio. May you keep on lightening the life of people. This is to Soumya, who keeps on inspiring me a lot. And this is for Ananya. Sweet girl. Richa, who always she kind of motivates me and never lets me down. Definitely goes without saying, Katie की बहन है तो she is like भैया मतलब come, yes, every inch, yes. And little अन्ना के लिए, yes, thank you so much, but I have someone else to thank. May I have, I don't know who is responsible for this videography, but I would like to honor Shaurya for that. Shaurya, this is for you. Shaurya ke liye. So these are all Tulsi malas which I've kind of got it graced from Bake Bihari ji. So this is that. Okay. Sorry, my speeches don't seem to end over here. Did I give everything to everyone? सबको सब चीज मिल गया? Okay. So now I would like to. क्या हुआ? So now there's one more. Can we please? Where are the anniversary couple over here in midst of us? We have an anniversary couple, Simpi and Happy. So आप इधर आओ, let's just clap for you and say celebrations for you. Come. Simpy and Happy. I think so आप लोग, you can, please food and drinks are ready. आप लोग enjoy करें. Happy, Simpy, this is for you.
I really thank Pallavi for trusting me for this. I don't think I'm worth it, but she's my elder sister, keeps pushing me for more always.
Thank you. So, Simpy and Happy, you are holding a chicken and I can't give you the Tulsi Mala. So that is blasphemy for me. No, that's blasphemy because I'm God-fearing. So this is for both of you and may your home always be blessed. Yeah. Yeah, सब कोई please clap तो कर दो anniversary लोगों के लिए. And tomorrow it is anniversary of another favorite couple of mine. It is the 24th anniversary of Tarun Mittal, Bhavna Mittal. Please come here. Woo! Come. Tarun, come. Come here. Please कोई photograph ले शारदा दीदी तो चली गई. Okay, so what I will do is that, okay, so this is one. So keep on brightening people's life always, हमेशा हमेशा. अब नहीं, मेरा खत्म हो गया.
So we have another couple, Arun and Meenakshi. Arun and Meenakshi, they met for the first time today, 30 years ago.
Okay, so my one more thank you is left. Please थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे सब सुन लीजिए. Please clap. Can I please have Pankaj Bharadwaj over here? Pankaj Bharadwaj, please come. You missed it? Okay, so Anuj Bhargava, Amit Sharma, Sunny Gakkar, Uttam, please come up. We have to have our ghazals and not Bollywood. Please come. शौर्य, आप उसको बंद कर